Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss some more criteria for congruence of triangles. See here, angle side angle congruence rule, that is ASA congruence rule. The statement is two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. Let's see. From the given figure, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Side BC is equal to side EF. Side BC is equal to side EF. And angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. So we can say that therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Problem based on ASA congruence rule. Let's see. Question number 7, exercise 10.2. In adjoining figure, two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O such that BC parallel to DA and BC is equal to DA. Show that O is the midpoint of both line segments AB and CD. So first of all, draw a line segment AB and CD intersect point at O. Now, so we have two triangles, triangle AOD and triangle BOC. So first of all, we have to show O is the midpoint of both line segments AB and CD, that is OA is equal to OB and OC is equal to OD. We have to show. Now proof. So we have two triangle AOD and triangle BOC. So first of all, we have to write here in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. See here, in triangle AOD or AOD, so angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. So angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. Since BC is parallel to DA, so angle OAD is equal to angle OBC by alternate interior angles. Now second, BC is equal to DA, that means AD is equal to BC. So we have to write here AD is equal to BC given. Now third, angle ODA is equal to angle OCB. Angle ODA is equal to angle OCB by alternate interior angles. Now Therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by angle, side angle, side angle congruence rule. Now OA is equal to OB and OC is equal to OD by CP CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Proved. Next, angle side congruence rule. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and any side of a triangle are equal to two angles and a side of other triangle. Let's see. From the figure, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Now angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. And side AC is equal to side DF. So we can write here AC is equal to DF. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by angle, side. So we have to write here angle, side congruence rule. Now problem based on angle, side congruence rule. Let's see. Question number 14 first. Find the values of x and y. In the figure, first of all, nomenclature A, B, C, D, O. So we have two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle OAB is equal to angle ODC. It is given. Now angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD by vertical opposite angles. Now OB is equal to OC. It is given. OB is equal to OC given. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by angle, side. So we can write here AAS congruency rule. So AB is equal to CD by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So the value of AB is 25 and CD is 2y plus 3. Now simplification, 25 minus 3 is equal to 2y, implies that 2y is equal to 22. Now y is equal to 22 by 2. So y is equal to 11. Now OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. It is given. So the value of OB is 3x minus 7 is equal to the value of OC is equal to 32. Now simplification, 3x is equal to 32 minus 7, go that side, it's become plus 7 is equal to 39. 3x is equal to 39. Now x is equal to 39 by 3. Now x is equal to 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So therefore the value of x is equal to 13 and the value of y is equal to 11. That is answer. Now right angle hypotenuse side congruence rule. Two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of a triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of other triangle. Let's see from the figure. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, first right angle, so angle B is equal to angle E, right angle 90 degree. Now hypotenuse, so AC is equal to DF and side BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now, problem based on RHS congruence rule. Question number 12, exercise 10.2. ABCD is a rectangle. X and Y are points on sides AD and BC respectively, such that AY is equal to BX. So we have to prove BY is equal to AX and angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. Now we have to draw a rectangle ABCD and X and Y are points on side AD and BC respectively. So point X on AD and point Y on BC, and we will join AY and BX. Now in triangle ABX and triangle ABY, in triangle ABX, angle BAX is 90 degree. Angle BAX is 90 degree is equal to angle ABY in triangle ABY. Angle ABY is also 90 degree. Right angle. We know that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Now next, AY is equal to BX. AY is equal to BX is given. So we have to write here BX is equal to AY as a hypotenuse. Now AB, side AB is common. AB is equal to AB, common side. So triangle ABX is congruent to triangle ABY by right angle, hypotenuse, side. So RHS congruency rule. Now in triangle ABX, so AX is equal to, in triangle ABY, BY. So AX is equal to BY by CP CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Now angle ABX, this angle ABX is equal to angle BAY, both are equal by CP CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Proved. Thank you.